Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this one is, I got this for my little nephew. He's gonna be 8 years old in June. So this is kind of like for his birthday. And my brother so far has refused to kind of buy him a phone. But at the same time, you know, we want him to have something so I can contact him just for security reason. You never know when the kids get lost, we can always contact him. And I heard about this watch. Huawei, Xiaomi, loads of companies did it, but Xiaomi one was a bit more expensive. Huawei one only exclusive in China because all the bans, global bans. This one is the Vivo one. It actually works out pretty good. It's only about £100, give or take, and you can use It's actually compatible with a lot of international phones and SIMs. So it's a smartwatch. So let me just do unboxing anyway, show you what's inside. I tried to look it up in Vivo's website, but I couldn't find any detail. I think it's only exclusive in stores. So inside is a nice, seems like tin. It's called Z6 Pro. When I type in Z6 Pro, it just comes up with like other phones and so on. You got paperwork and whatever that is. I let my nephew work that himself. And there you go, the cable. The idea behind this is when we was on tour, well, holiday, we went into a doji or one of the ancient water towns. We saw a bunch of kids with this, and they was like taking pictures, talking. So we asked them with my broken Mandarin what this was. So you can see there was a pink one, white one, and the blue one. And I think, for 8-year-old boy, blue is always the right color, right? I hope so. He'll like the blue. So let me just see if I can unwrap this. Because what it is, of course, you've got the smartphone, you've got a camera there. Okay, you can actually take phone calls, which it takes a SIM. The good thing was the two people in the Vivo store helped us download the app and kind of gave myself guidance how to install it and get a SIM card. And it actually works well. I kind of figured out what to do. I'm gonna help my nephew when I give this to him, help him set it up and get him a SIM card as well, so he can, we can keep in touch with him, call him up, he can call us up, and so on. So like I said, camera here, but there's a button here. You can push this, hopefully, without taking. Oh, it's coming up. It seems like you might have to take off the wrapping, or am I just doing it bad? Okay, let me just take everything off. And then I don't want to, because I want to kind of wrap it back up, make it look like it's still brand new without pretending to do a unboxing, if you know what I mean. All right, then let's take the strap. All right. You know what? I'm going to pause and get the strap off. I'll plastic and I get back to everyone in a sec. Welcome back. There you go. You can see it's definitely made for kids because, I got a pretty thin wrist and you only go to like the third hole. So you can definitely tell. So you can see here, you fold it up. So it's almost like on those Spy Kid movies. Push it down, clips into it. So you got a camera. You can do that, of course. You can take cameras, or you can just press a button. You can look at what you're filming. It's like those cool cameras. And yeah, it makes calls. So you can put the SIM card. Let me just take this off and I'll show you. Looks like a SIM card's here. One of these. I don't want to take too much things off. Yeah, there you go. Looks like there's a little clip. There you go. Looks like the SIM card goes right there for the phone calls. So hopefully he'll have a lot of fun, show off to his friends. Kids are like, they love all this kind of stuff. But the most important thing is so we can keep track and you can call us and we don't have to spend too much money. And also, I still don't think kids should really get into like mobile phones too early. Maybe when he's around the 10 to 12 kind of age, then we'll think about getting him a phone, because phones can be distracting. I mean, look at you, every day you go out and you see people just on their phones and walking into walls, walking into each other. You're having dinner with your friends or having dinner with your date, and half the time they spend all their time on their mobile phones, little on the WhatsApp call or Instagram. They want to check it, and they ignore your conversations. So we don't want to get my nephew into that habit at the moment. Maybe, like I said, when he's between 12 years old or onwards. Yeah, so hopefully enjoy this. This is fun. It's by Vivo. So I hope you set it up, and I won't be setting this up. Like I said, I want to try and put it back in to make it look as new as possible. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and there'll be a few unboxings coming up soon, or little things I purchased in Shanghai, and also check out my Shanghai video logs. That'd be great. Like, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and thank you. And I'll see you next time. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you're in the world, please do stay safe, and goodbye.